Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yes, people. What kind of fruits we are do today? What kind of fruits we are do today? What they name? Traditional tropic.
Tropical fruits. Come on, guys, we're gonna have a tropical fruit fun day and a fun food factory today. Yours truly, knowledgeable version, agriboss and Empress.
Yeah, man.
Let's go, come on. Click, 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 click. Remember to smash your likes, leave your comments, and share as usual.
Yeah, man.
Respect for your contribution. Greetings. We are here with the 876 Agriboss original, you know?
Yes.
And we have Empress as our guest today. So, we're going to sample some fruits and things where normally, some local fruits and things. Native to the parish, of course. First up, we have the rose apple. You know the rose apple, when it is rose apple time, is a dangerous time to go to the river. See? Yeah man, because the eel them enough at that time. And they are very aggressive because they're in the peak of their mating season. Right? Alright, so these you can try these and give me your initial.
It smells like something I had when I was a little girl.
Right. It has a floral smell. Like you're eating
like
rose
flowers.
petals. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember
It's like
this.
eating rose petals.
I remember this.
It's a very unique
It's nice.
kind of vibe. And this is related to our regular apples. It's from the same family, right? Yeah. This is what you call the Susigium. This would be the Susigium malacens. And this is a slightly different one. Right here we have also our mommy apple. And these, so far, I only find them in like about 3 or 4 parishes. St. Mary, Portland, St. Thomas, and latter part of St. Andrew.
Did they get any softer?
No, they kind of eat like the texture of it should be a bit firm. So you got a nice crunchy fruit on the inside.
Oh,
Alright, so
smells.
it smells really good. What do you think? What's your opinion on the smell?
It smells like a fruit.
Normally
The texture is so hard,
Right.
so I'm excited to see what's in
right, a fruit like this will normally give you a nice vibrant color. For the smell profile is matching a nice vibrant color. Normally this looks a little bit on the low side. Doesn't have a lot of color or anything on the outside, the outer appearance. It smells really good though. Alright, so let's try this. Normally you'll cut a little V by this section here. And then you peel off it. So this is how you do it. Right. And you have a vibrant yellow on the inside.
Oh wow.
Very vibrant. You can get a whiff of that. And it's very nice in smell.
Fruity.
Beautiful smell. Let's cut it all the way down.
Can you smell it?
Fragrance.
Yes, so I'm not going to give away the taste profile, so you can basically
It's so
tell
pretty.
me what's going on. It got a giant seed on the inside.
Oh wow. That's
The
nice.
cameraman is begging for some of the action. Here you
Very
go, sir.
fruity.
Me have mouth too, you know.
And sweet. Look like this will fill your belly.
Mm.
Like in one go.
So this you haven't tried this before. So could you give me a rundown on what it's like, what it tastes like to you? What?
Very fruity,
Mm-hmm.
full.
It tastes like something me eating and me feel.
Yes.
It is.
Can you compare it to no other fruit? Can you compare it to any other fruit?
To me, he come out papaya, but in a hard version. No papaya. Go pineapple guava.
It has
Yeah.
a mango texture.
Mango texture. Yeah.
Floral scent to it.
Right.
It kind of have a own unique taste.
Yeah, man, it is.
But the texture of it matching other fruits that you might know.
I mean,
Right.
it closest
So
to
it-
mango.
Yeah,
Like
it
one of
is
them
a little
jam
closer
belly
to
full
mango.
Oh,
That
oh.
jam belly full.
Okay, okay. Boy, give me a little piece more and then me continue.
But the
Cause,
seed to fresh ratio is very high.
oh, so I want youth seed in the
Yeah,
middle.
you have a big seed in the middle.
What the fruit your name again?
Mommy apple.
Mommy apple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
It grows
apple.
on a very nice, a very tall traditional tree.
Oh,
Very robust tree.
right.
So the seed is massive.
Yeah, yeah,
So
you
that's
can.
the seed they're showing.
Yeah, they are different. Different. Let me give you a cross cut so you can see.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Boy, them fruits that's really there, Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Let me see the cross cut.
Oh.
People, tell me in the comment section if you ever see a fruit like this. Yeah, man. And tell me if you would really want to try a fruit like this. That's why I'm tell us if you come over to Fun Food Factory, you know, share the video here, like, subscribe for more videos like this. We're coming up with some hidden fruits in Jamaica.
So there's a little thin strip. That's how you can remove to get the real taste of it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, enjoy. Empress True Virgin.
It's lovely.
Lovely, okay.
You see, you're getting full on the mommy apple.
Whoa.
Easily.
So you
It looks like it.
yeah, you literally come like, yeah, you don't need no food. Yeah, fruit
Just
here
don't go
and
under the tree and stay there too long because one from that height, because the trees are very tall.
oh,
One
oh,
from that height to your head,
right,
Oh,
right,
they jump.
it's a nice little bounce, you know.
right, yeah, man.
You know, we have the regular cashew. And
What?
what many people don't know is that the cashew is actually an external seed.
Right,
Right? So this is what we call a mesoderm in the scientific world.
right,
This is the mesoderm or the fruit. So
right,
this is the fruit that you eat, and there's an external seed or the endocarp, right? Yeah, man. So this is what you twist.
mm-hmm,
After you get rid of this, now is what you dry and then roast to get your cashew nuts. And many people, as simple as that sound, don't know that important fact,
for real.
right? So all of this,
Me take a closer look
Yeah.
at the seed.
the cashew nut. It's
The cashew seed, yeah, nut. And then let me see the fruit, the one with the fruit. Because a lot of people in the world, yeah, that's, oh.
juicy.
You look like a American apple, but without the seed.
Right. So this as a as a fruit, it's very it's very refreshing, especially in the summer times.
Right.
Yeah, it has a little staininess to it.
Bit tangy.
A little, yes, and it's a little tangy as well, but it's a really nice fruit to have in the summertime when it is getting hot like this during this time of the year. Very crunchy and juicy.
Yeah, dribble. And yeah, I realized that it high in stain, and they say any fruit that is high in stain is high in iron. I just discovered also that the fruit help the pancreas to produce insulin. So for the persons with die with the biscuit, which you call diabetes, I think this is a fruit that you should get high on. Yeah, man. The cashew fruit.
Yeah.
Yes, agriboss, run your show.
I know these are regular apple already.
Right. So with them they would have come under traditional fruits. Okay.
These are traditional tropical fruits, eh?
Traditional tropical fruits.
So let's go a little further to one of the most potent fruit on this planet. Right?
Me agree.
The salsa.
Right. But she's not tasting no other fruits. She's stuck on that one. The mommy apple, yeah.
So this one is for me then.
Really? Jesus peace. Yo, Jamaican do things different, man. What a big bite that, man. Look at the man teeth, man. Hey, people, if you know eat sauce up, so you know, don't come over this channel, you know, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, recently, people is now discovering that this is a new powerhouse of fruits. Yeah, so there's now a trend. So there's a big trend now with in terms of the demand of the fruit. The price is like going through the roof right now because everybody is so now aware and want to go to the natural holistic lifestyle. So because of that, the price of the fruit is now through the roof. The awareness is now increasing because people are now buying into the more natural holistic lifestyle. So this is driving the cost, both the cost of the plants and the cost of the fruits up, right? But in truth and in fact, it's one of the most potent and powerful plant and fruit tree that you have.
And what's the name of that?
This is soursop right here. So
Okay.
it is known to treat a lot of illnesses, you know, including that one that have the stage 4 and it's not a category 4 star.
Bombas. Yes, man. We call it canker to protect the video.
Right.
Canker.
Right. We cannot occur it on the video.
Right. So we find the can and find the cure.
Right. So this in tune also aids in the removal of uric acid from the blood. So people that have been kidney issues and so, and you know the excessive uric acid in the blood manifests in different ways. Why? It affects for example, it affects one of the leading causes leading up to what we call gout, right? So these are the formation of crystals in the joints, so you start to feel in the joint pain and all of that, right? This would aid in some kidney failures as well, right? So it aids in removing uric acid from the blood, right? Yeah, man. So this is all for me. Sorry.
Soursop. Right. Yeah, keep that one.
Yeah.
Cause you're soursop hawk. Me get to realize. Alright. So yeah, man, cut the one they make them see inside for anybody who don't know. Because people all over the world, up neat up the boy. Maybe see what I go on.
The least I can do is give you a little whip of it,
Yeah.
Yeah, so this little part here, they say they use it for the child who's suffering from regular bedwetting.
Yes, as a child. Then give with that the art of the soursop to stop wet the bed.
Right.
You're right, boy.
So in short, one of the most powerful antioxidants on the face of the earth is pumpkin.
Yeah, man, we can talk about soursop all day.
Yeah.
May I tell you?
Right.
What next we have done in our fruit
So the
basket?
star of the show
Bombards.
is the star fruit, yeah?
Yes.
The reason they call it the star fruit is that the star appearance of the do a cross cut like that, right?
Shows, man.
So there you go.
Up near and let me see star. Whoa.
Empress is a star today, eh?
So enough people don't know that. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Fun food for jeez. Thank you, boy. If you never left me out, me just press the back button.
Right, and I need a bigger star food because I'm needing a bigger star.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. I think I film that. So this star fruit have seed, make they see it? The seeds. Okay, seeds are present.
They're absolutely crunchy, nice, sweet, refreshing. One of the most prolific trees that you can see on the farm or anything.
The first time I had it, I didn't like them.
There are some varieties that are very sour. Very tart.
It must be those ones I would have.
Right. But these are very sweet. This variety is known as
Yeah, they're sweet.
the Loria.
Loria.
Right.
Okay. People, if you not plant a tree, look for that variety. They're fat, juicy, and very sweet.
Right. So, with that said, I'm out.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
out.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Watch out. See, she want peace there. KTV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic 8 system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy, Holistic 8.